God, guys, this combination is super good for the hair and I love it. Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and yes, today's video is going to be a super review on these two amazing products which I want to share with you guys. This is like really good and I want to share it with you. So let me tell you guys, I abuse my hair big time. It's already colored and then I like to straighten it, I like to blow dry it, and I need something which gives this double heat protection to my hair so that it does not break easily. And I need something which is like hardcore, okay? This chota mota protections is really not going to be working when I'm like straightening so much. So I needed something really strong, a hardcore protection from the heat. So guys, today what I'm going to share with you is like super good. I have used so many heat protectants and okay, they have not been bad, but I've made this amazing combination which is like really good and it's really going to work for you. I'm sure it's going to, because I don't think anyone abuses their hair so much like I do. So I'm talking about these two products. I have already made a video on how I straighten my hair where I have used both of them. So yes, let's begin. First, so let's talk about the first product. This is Luxy Oil from Wella, priced at 2,300 for 100 ml. It has a very easy accessible pump, very liquidy in form. What is written behind is apply 1 to 2 pumps, distribute throughout the hair for instant and lasting smoothness. Do not rinse out, salon exclusive, and that's all what's written about it. That's like the first product, and second product is from Kerastase Nutritive Nectar Thermic Q. This is for anti-roughness and anti-dullness, polishing, nourishing milk. This is priced at 1,200 for 150 ml. And what's written behind is polishing, nourishing, anti-roughness, anti-dullness, blow dry milk for dry hair. High heat protection for heated styling appliances or hair dryers. Leave-in. So this is the combination which I use as a heat protectant and even as a leave-in conditioner, and it is super good. Once my hair is damp, I divide into two sections. As my hair is not very long, I just have to divide into two sections, and I take like one pump of this and then another press of this, and I distribute it evenly on my hair. I start from the ends and then gradually I go upwards and I massage it really well. Then I take another pump of them again, and then I start from the ends and then go up to the roots, and then I massage it really well on the whole hair so that it distributes evenly. So after it is completely soaked in, like I massage it thoroughly on my hair completely, and once it's dry and completely absorbed, I straighten my hair or I blow dry it. Now even if I don't blow dry or straighten my hair, I still apply it on my hair because it works as a good sunscreen for the hair, because the hair also gets damaged because of the sun. Completely this multi-purpose combination which is like awesome, guys. I don't know how to express it to you guys. This combination is really nice. It has not broken my hair since like real long time. I have used this like at least 10 times to give you this complete feedback. It is really nice. It makes the hair like super soft. I have no idea how to even express it. My hair feels like really soft and really mushy and gushy. It really works like really nice. You feel like like just to keep on touching your hair because it feels like really nice. Both these products are expensive, guys, no doubt, but it is seriously worth it. Every penny of it is really worth it. I really like it. After I straighten or blow dry my hair, I take few drops of this and just go through my hair again. It does not make it greasy, oily, nothing of the bad things. It just completely absorbs it and makes the hair so shiny and so soft. I really love it, guys. It is like this double heat protectant, guys, because we are combining two high-end brands which is super good. So it really nourishes the hair, it keeps it strong without breaking, and it is really nice. I have tried so many heat protectants, guys, but this combination is doing super wonders on the hair. It is really making the hair super strong without breaking and like amazing. I really like it. I don't know, I wish it never discontinues, like, oh my god, because if I want to straighten my hair, these two is a must on my hair. Because we're using heat on the hair, there is going to be some sort of damage, but it's going to be a little bit on the lesser side because of this super double heat protection which I'm going to be applying on the hair. So yes, I don't know, I can't stop raving about these products, but both of them is like awesome. This is on the liquidy side and this is on the thick side, so both this combination really moisturizes the hair for dry hair and dehydrated hair. Awesome guys, this I made this combination just by fluke. This is like a leave-in conditioner cum heat protectant. So this is like really nice, kerastase, so it has to be super nice. And this is from Wella. This is a heat protectant serum, so this combination wouldn't be bad. And I used it and I'm like, wow, I discovered something really nice, because it is really nice guys. I don't know how many times I've repeated it, but yes, it is like super nice. It's like very nice. I don't know what I'm like. I really like it because I find it like super useful for the hair. There are many out there who don't use heat appliances on their hair, but that does not mean you don't need these products. These products are really nice because it works as a good sunscreen, makes your hair like super soft. You will experience it once you use it. I really recommend these two products guys. It is like awesome. And if you're going to use like heat appliances on your hair on and off, like this is like awesome. I think I should stop raving about it because you got it that these two products is like amazing. So guys, if you found this video useful, do hit a like and make my day. It really makes my day. And yes, don't forget to subscribe because that also makes my day. And don't forget to share this video because sharing is caring. Let someone else also know that these products are like super good for the hair. I made another video too on some of the budget friendly heat protectants. I'll put that somewhere in the screen or in the description box. You can go and watch that too. But yes, right now these two are my super favorite. So yes guys, see ya later in some other video. Bye bye.